learn about focused note-taking with 2 and 3 column notes. Slide 2, Focused Note-Taking Process. Avid's focused note-taking process embodies research-based practices for note-taking and using notes for learning and other applications. There are 5 stages in the process, and if you apply them to the different formats of your notes, it will also help with all content areas. First, take the notes. Second, process your notes. 3, connect your thinking. 4, summarize and reflect on your learning. And 5, apply your learning. Slide 3, Phase 1, Taking Notes. You must establish a purpose and objective for taking your notes. Use an essential question to help guide you. Next, select the format. You should know a variety of formats for different purposes. Next, write your notes based on the source that you're using. Be sure to paraphrase and arrange the information thoughtfully. Slide 4, Write the essential question. In the area where your essential question box is, write, how can I take 2 and 3 column notes? Slide 5, Format the page, 2 column notes. To create 2 column notes, draw a line down the center of your paper vertically, or you can fold over your paper in half, and that creates a line as well. The width of the columns can be adjusted depending on the note's purposes. Slide 6, Format the page, 3 column notes. To create 3 column notes, use the left side to capture key ideas, main points, or important concepts from the text. Use the middle column to capture supporting details or evidence. Use the column on the right to capture your responses, thoughts, connections, or applications. Slide 7, Application. Take the notes in the left or the middle column. Respond to what you're writing down in the right column. Make sure when you're finished to get with a partner, share your notes, compare, make sure that you've each gotten the same information or at least the main ideas, respond to those notes, maybe someone else got more information than you, and add or modify to your notes as needed. Slide 8, Reflection. Reflect on what is working and what challenges you've encountered. Keep doing what is working for you and discover how to shift the things that you're struggling with to meet the challenges. Slide 9, Summary. When you're taking focus notes, make sure to determine the focused note-taking purpose. Write the essential question down and establish whatever correct format you should be taking notes in. Apply what you know about notes, and when you're finished, be sure to reflect with a study buddy.